What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So this is round 2. So I'm going to be working today during my shift. I wanted to make the second video before I go to sleep and start my shift tomorrow. And these are two high-yield financial sector stocks to buy. I own both of them. My goal is to get to 100 shares in these and just leave them alone. I really think one of my dividend investing strategies is once I get to 100 shares in certain stocks, obviously I need more in some of them because the snowball effect and the compound interest will kick in. But that's one of my goals for these two financial sector stocks that I own. They're both bank stocks. I have done videos on them showing you my dividend income. And they have consistent dividend increases. The revenue backs themselves up and they are increasing their dividends. So this is like a beautiful retirement pension plan that I have with these dividend stocks. And I'm giving myself a raise. So my employer, we're going through some issues. Obviously, the bug is back and it's causing some problems with outpatient surgery. So I hope they don't freeze our contributions like they did. Well, actually, the matching, not the. I mean, imagine that you're a registered nurse, you're busting your ass, working on the units with the bug, you're helping out, and they ain't helping you. So this is why I do this. This is why you have multiple sources of income. This is why I kind of had this channel. I was prepared in case of something like this happened. I have multiple sources of income flying around everywhere. And these two bank stocks, I'm very grateful for. They're great companies. And one of them I own a cashback card with. So let's just check these stocks out right now. First stock I own in bank stock is Key Corp. And this is Key Bank, Key Corp. And this is a high yield bank stock. They're sitting at $23.09. They're starting to make a little bit of a rebound because when the pandemic hit, they took a huge nosedive and they're starting to catch up a little bit and rebound a little bit significantly to compared to when they took a huge dip. So I'm glad I capitalized on those guys. At one point they were at 2005, but man, they're 1120 when that big dip happened during the pandemic. The previous close was 2274. Its day range was 2254 to 2309. Deal range was 1595 to 2457. Its market cap is 21.17 billion US dollars. Its volume was 7.84 million. PE ratio is 9.03. And again, that dividend yield is 3.38%. Their revenue is doing fantastic, which I will show you. And their revenue in millions of US dollars, they're doing pretty well. So this is 4,351, 4,502, 5,390, 6,868 in 2017, 2018, 7,393, 7,694. They took a little bit of a hit in 2020, but you can play in the pandemic card. So here's the thing that I like about KeyBank with their dividends is they have significant dividend increases. And again, a bank, they make money numerous ways. A car loan, loan on the house, loan on a business, your cashback card. Anytime you swipe your credit card, they got money. That's part of the fees. That's what makes these guys a really good dividend stock, and their revenue is doing well. I see again, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer in the description, but these guys are still generating revenue, and I see them in 2021 generating more revenue and right around the 7,694 or above that amount of revenue, because if you look at their trends, and again, the financial sector took a huge hit during the pandemic, you can understand that. And look at their dividend trends. Let's check this out. Again, I want to raise, you want to raise, everybody loves a raise. So look at this. 2013, it was 5 cents. 2014, 6 cents, then 7 cents, then 8 cents, and then 9 cents, then 10 cents, then 12, then it hit 17, then it hit 18.5. Now it's at 19.5 cents with a PE ratio of 9.02, annual dividend of 78 cents, a dividend yield of 3.43%, sitting at $23.09. Financial sector, they're slowly starting to rebound. These guys are rebounding pretty quick. So keep an eye on these guys. I need to start throwing some money in them. I want to get to at least 100 shares. eventually. That's my long-term goal. So my play money that I have left over, my M1 finance, like stuff that with my budget, I'm going to start throwing into E-Trade, looking at Arbor Realty Trust and looking at KeyBank and Huntington Bank shares. The other one I just posted a video on, that's another hot dividend stock that I'm looking at as well. It's a high yield dividend stock. So make sure you check out the previous video. At the end of this one, you'll see it at the end of at the little corner in the section of the video. You'll see it. So let's jump to the next dividend stock and the final dividend stock. This one is cheap. It's sitting at $15.40. That's Huntington Bank Shares Incorporated. HBAN is a symbol. Dividend yield is 4.03%. PE ratio is 16.65. Volume 10.58 million. Market cap 22.28 billion US dollars. Its year range is 1216 to 1691. I like this one. This is a cheap dividend stock, and it has a 4% dividend yield, 4.03%. This is why I own this stock, and it's long in this stock. I'm going to continue to buy shares. This one I'm going to load up. I'm hoping to get to maybe 100 at the end of this year and start really racking up that dividend income with these guys, because I'm going to tell you, they're financially they're doing well, and their dividends are doing well. Let me show you this. And this is in millions US dollars. Look, 2014, 2,995, 2015, 3,154, 2016, 3,782, 4,740, 5,270, 5,665, and then 5,238. So you're seeing a little bit of the pandemic card. You can blame that in 2020, but man, significantly, they have increased their dividend and they're cheap. Symbol is HBAN, and I'll show you its dividend history. 2011, they recession right around that time, 1 cent, 4 cent, 5 cents, 6 cents, 7 cents, 8 cents, 11 cents, 14 cents, 15 cents, 15.5 cents. So they're slowly increasing their dividend. They're sitting at $15.40 with a dividend yield of 4.06% and a PE ratio of 11.24. So they are increasing it. It's going to take a little bit of time, but they're so cheap. How do you say no to that as a dividend stock? And its annual dividend is 62 cents. So look at these trends. 11, 14, 15. I like it. I'm long in both of these stocks. I really like these guys as dividend stocks. Let me know what you think of this video. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Let me know. Do you guys like HBAN or even Regions Financial? RF is a symbol. I didn't post a video on them. Let me know if you like those guys. And KeyBank, KEY, is a symbol. So you guys have been amazing. Smash that like button, and I'll post another video tomorrow. You guys take care and have a good one.